If you just watched our visually structured planning video, you understand how the visually structured planning charts are developed. If not, I would recommend that you watch that video first. In this video, I'll expand the charts into a formal integrated master plan. I'll generate a reusable compliance turnaround spreadsheet, or CTS, which allows me to add the missing details. VisiSuite generates this turnaround spreadsheet with examples to show me the proper format. The CTS is easily the greatest time saver in VisiSuite, especially if you use it across similar programs. Once I flesh out the CTS, I'll simply import it so I can generate a fully compliant integrated master plan. Let's look at a specific accomplishment using a VisiSuite edit dialog to understand the kind of information that I just imported. This is the list of criteria. When I'm doing a formal IMP, I define WBS, SOW, CLIN, and IPT references. For procedurals or dated delivery items, I have to also define when they are due. For example, procedural 008 must be delivered 3 days before the associated event occurs. Now let me show you what our full formal IMP table looks like. Notice VisiSuite has automatically generated a unique and static IMP code, sometimes called activity code, which will cross-reference the IMP and the final IMS. Now I'll have VisiSuite generate the beginnings of an integrated master schedule. I can create shell projects for all the work elements at once, but I'll just do one here. Notice every planning element appears in my shell with a corresponding summary and milestone. Then team members identify the tasks that have to be done to achieve each criteria, as well as defining the durations and the sequencing links. Anytime that I synchronize with this plan, I will pick up the appropriate references and my schedule will be adjusted to be in the same timeline as it has when it's fully integrated into the integrated master schedule. Now I'll skip ahead and show you one completed schedule element. VisiSuite provides a truly distributed schedule building, updating, and modifying capability. I'll remotely revise this schedule element to demonstrate. Notice I can even proactively measure the impact it will have when it's finally integrated into the full IMS. When I'm done, I simply do a modular or bottom-up integration, and that updates the full integrated master schedule. Okay, my IMS has been updated with my newly revised schedule. Now I'll look at a display of program events that will show me their baseline committed dates, their current schedule dates, and a schedule margin difference. I can select any one of them and ask VisiSuite to calculate the critical or longest path of work leading up to that specific event. Here, for example, is the critical path to the EPU delivery event. Now I can easily modify the tasks along that critical path. As I make adjustments, VisiSuite automatically marks any individually owned elements that have been changed. It will also alert me if the modifications I'm making put the IMS behind schedule. Once all the tuning completes, I save the IMS, and then I'm given the option to distribute out new versions of the modified elements. So I can either remotely update individual projects, then update the entire IMS bottom up, or modify the entire IMS and distribute change project elements top down. I hope this demo has provided an understanding of the value that's added by VisiSuite's plan-to-schedule integration and its distributed modularity. Thank you for watching this video.